Hey guys, welcome back to another video with iTech Everything. So today I'm gonna show you a way to learn code in a fun way. So you might have come across this app called Swift Playgrounds on the iPad. So just last week, Wednesday, they launched this app for the macOS Catalina latest update, which is the 10.15.3. So I'm going to show you how this actually works if you haven't heard it or haven't used it, because it's actually a very famous app and it's actually very easy to use, and it is number one in education. Okay, so here we have it. Now, if you go to Learn to Code 1, which I've completed already, so it is actually a very fun way to learn things, and this is directly from Apple. So as you can see, I've completed everything and I've written all the codes. So now they're all chapters, so from algorithms to from commands to algorithms. So there's commands, functions, for loops, conditional code, logical operators, while loops, and then algorithms. So there's everything what you want to learn. As you can see, I've completed all courses or all things, and then you have to actually make a code which actually will complete the task. So it is actually very great, and it's a great opportunity for everyone to learn, and you can get some good music running. Well, it's actually done. And there are actually more things so you can practice. So we have something called as the Hour of Code, which is actually coming soon for the Mac. Currently it's not there. It's actually a new version, but what you can do if you have an iPad, you can just airdrop the file like I did for augmented reality, but augmented reality is not supported on this Mac. So as you can see, this document only works on the iPad. But otherwise, we have everything like Blues Adventure, Learn to Code 2. So Learn to Code 2 is the continuation of the Learn to Code 1. And then also we have something from Adafruit. So this is the Robots Rover. It's actually a very easy program, so you can try it out for yourself. I'm not going to spoil it. And we have more apps as well, so more playgrounds, so as they say. So as you can see, there's some Lego programming, then there's some Ubitech Zemo robots, Tello by Risey, Calliope Mini, Microdot Bit or Microbit, Skoog Music, Chord Spark, Power Drones, and Adafruit, what I'm actually having. So this is actually a great opportunity for beginners. And even if you're not like a beginner, you're intermediate, or like you're moderate, like coder, so you can actually try this out if you want to learn Swift, because I am actually a full year course master, C++, and this is actually Swift. So this is something new for me. I would love to learn this. And obviously you will also want to, so that's why you are in this video. And the best thing about this is nothing goes too serious, so everything is in a game sort of thing, and you can try it again and again until you get it. And it is actually very intuitive and a very fun way. So right now, open your Mac and turn on the App Store and install Swift Playground. This is the #1 education app currently on the App Store. So, hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll be uploading more tutorials soon. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.